Most drivers skip the simplest car checks until a bald tire turns a routine stop into a 90-foot skid, or a glowing engine light silently racks up $1,000 in repair bills. Mechanics see it every day. Overlooked features and tricks that would have saved fortunes, avoided accidents, and kept cars trouble-free for years. But almost no one uses them. Do you know which ones you have missed? A worn tire can turn a wet road into a sliding hazard in seconds. Most people never check their tread until it's too late, but a penny or a quarter can reveal the truth in moments. Place a penny into the tire groove with Lincoln's head facing down. If you can see the top of his head, your tread is at or below 2/32 of an inch, the legal minimum in most states, and already too dangerous for rain. For a better safety margin, use a quarter. If Washington's hairline is visible, tread is below 4/32. That is when stopping distance on wet pavement jumps by 87 feet, more than 5 car lengths compared to new tires. Hydroplaning risk skyrockets, especially at highway speeds. Mechanics see bald tires every week, and the consequences can be deadly. As one ASE certified tech puts it, if you can see Lincoln's head, you're gambling with your life. Replace it. Don't wait. This quick test takes less than a minute, but it can save you from a crash, a ticket, or a $1,000 repair bill. A glowing check engine light can mean anything from a loose gas cap to a failing catalytic converter. Too many drivers try to cheat the system by disconnecting the battery, hoping the light will stay off. But this trick only hides the real problem for a few days, and it wipes out the car's diagnostic history. When emissions testing rolls around, the system shows not ready, and the car fails on the spot. A $25 OBD2 scanner plugs right into the port under the dash and tells you exactly what is wrong. No guessing, no risky resets. One common code, P0455, points straight to the EVAP system, often just a loose or cracked gas cap. Tightening or replacing the cap can clear the code and restore fuel economy, instead of letting an ignored warning spiral into a $1,000 repair. Mechanics see this mistake every week, a $15 fix missed because someone tried to outsmart the light. Always scan for codes before resetting anything. It is the difference between a quick DIY repair and a failed emissions test that keeps your car off the road. A dead key fob can leave even the calmest driver stranded in a parking lot. But most push-to-start cars are built with a hidden backup. Inside every modern fob is a passive RFID chip that works without a battery. On a Toyota Camry, holding the dead fob directly against the start button while pressing the brake brings the car to life. BMW drivers can slip the fob into a hidden slot inside the center console and start up as usual. This trick works on nearly every keyless system, from Honda to Ford. Dealership technicians see it all the time. Drivers pay for a tow, only to watch a mechanic start the car in seconds with this method. The secret is knowing where the RFID detection zone is, usually right at the button or in a marked slot. Replace the fob battery every 2 years with a CR2032 coin cell, which costs about $5 to avoid the problem altogether. As one dealership tech puts it, 90% of stranded calls could be solved with a $5 battery in 30 seconds of know-how. A locked steering wheel can turn a routine stop into a panic, especially when the key refuses to turn in the ignition. Most drivers blame the key or the ignition right away, but an ASE certified technician knows the trick. Grip the wheel and gently turn it left or right while easing the key forward. This simple move releases the anti-theft lock built into nearly every car made since the 1990s. It is a fix that takes seconds, yet saves drivers from hundreds in unnecessary towing and locksmith fees. If the key still will not budge or feels gritty, that is a sign of ignition wear. Worn cylinders or bent keys can mean a $200 to $400 repair, but for most, the wheel wiggle is all it takes. On the outside, a minor parking lot dent looks like a wallet drainer, with body shops quoting anywhere from $100 to $500 for paintless dent repair. But a $30 kit from the auto parts store, or even a clean-cut plunger and a hairdryer, can tackle small dings on flat panels. Heat the metal with the dryer to make it more flexible, then press and pull with the plunger. Auto body techs say this works on about 70% of minor dents, doors, fenders, and bumpers, saving hundreds in shop fees. Deep creases or cracked paint still need a pro, but for everyday dings, the DIY method pays for itself after one use. As one tech puts it, customers pay $350 for the same fix you can do in your driveway. Premium fuel is often pushed as the secret to a longer-lasting engine, but most cars on the road today run perfectly on regular. Mechanics see drivers pour hundreds of dollars a year into high-octane gas, expecting better mileage or smoother performance. The truth is, unless your owner's manual says required, as it does for a Porsche 911 or BMW M3, premium does nothing but drain your wallet. AAA national tests found that using premium in cars designed for regular delivers zero improvement in horsepower, fuel economy, or emissions. At 50 to 70 cents more per gallon, filling a 15-gallon tank with premium adds up to an extra $8 to $10 every time. For the average driver, that is $400 to $600 wasted each year for no benefit at all. Cold weather brings a different kind of headache. When temperatures drop below freezing, batteries lose up to 50% of their cranking power. An ASE certified technician recommends a simple trick. Turn on your headlights for 2 minutes before starting the engine. This small power draw warms the battery plates from the inside, boosting available amps and making cold starts easier. Tow truck drivers in Minnesota swear by it. One reported fewer jump calls after sharing this tip with stranded commuters. If your battery struggles in the cold, it is a sign to replace it soon, but this 2-minute fix can save your morning and your tow bill. A tiny chip in your windshield can turn into a $1,000 problem overnight. Temperature swings and highway vibrations make small cracks grow fast, especially on cars with advanced sensors or heated glass. Windshield specialists reach for clear nail polish as a first line of defense. It seeps into the chip, hardens, and keeps out dirt and moisture until a proper resin kit can be applied. Resin kits, available for under $50, create a permanent seal that stops cracks from spreading. Insurance adjusters often deny claims once a crack passes 6 inches, leaving drivers with replacement bills that can reach $1,000. Under the hood, a squeaky serpentine belt is more than just an annoyance. Belts should last between 60,000 and 100,000 miles. But when they start to squeal, the wrong fix can shorten their life dramatically. Tow truck techs warn against using WD-40. It quiets the noise for a day, but its petroleum base breaks down rubber, leading to premature failure. Belt dressing, on the other hand, conditions the rubber and restores grip without the damage. A snapped belt means no power steering, no alternator, and an expensive tow. Cold weather brings its own headaches. When doors freeze shut, locksmiths recommend a simple trick. Spray a light coating of cooking oil or silicone along the rubber seals and wipe off the excess. This barrier stops ice from bonding to the rubber, preventing you from being locked out on the coldest mornings. Petroleum-based sprays dry out seals over time, so stick with silicone or a quick shot of cooking spray for a cheap, effective solution. A shop floor fills up with cars that did not get the memo. One sedan sits with bald tires, its front end crumpled from a rainy day slide. Next bay over, a hatchback waits for a $1,000 catalytic converter, all because a blinking check engine light was ignored for months. A minivan arrives on a flatbed, stranded by a snapped serpentine belt that had squeaked for weeks. In the corner, a frustrated driver stares at a frosted door, frozen shut on the coldest morning of the year. Technicians swap stories about push-to-start cars towed in for dead fobs, only to be started in seconds with the backup trick. On the bench, a windshield with a spiderweb crack gets measured for replacement. What started as a chip now means sensors, and cameras must be recalibrated. Every case could have played out differently with a $5 fix or a 60-second check. As one ASE certified mechanic says, most of these cars would not be here if someone had known the right trick at the right time. It is always the little things that cost the most. Every year, preventable car repairs cost US drivers over $25 billion. In a world where the smallest oversight can mean the biggest bill, knowing these features isn't just smart. It is self-defense. Your car's secrets are in your hands. Will you use them? Share your thoughts below.